In this video, I'll show you how to install a Canon 276 ink cartridge, which is the color one, in a Canon printer. So first you need to remove it from the package, and from now you have a small tape going out of the cartridge on the side there. You just need to peel it out. And while you're doing this, never touch the contacts over here with your finger and never touch the print head with your finger. Make sure your Canon printer is turned on, then lower this first plastic door, lower the second door, and some of them have a third door. Just stick your finger, push down, and the printer will present to you all the ink cartridges that were inside. The old Canon 276 cartridge is on the left. You just need to push this blue retainer down. Then you'll be able to slide out the ink cartridge already installed. Now take your new cartridge, make sure the contacts are facing the printer and the print head is facing down, and you just have to slide it inside. Push it, and when you feel that it clicked, just put back this retainer up, like this, to keep it in place. Finally, you can close all the plastic doors you just opened, like this, and you're done. I hope this video was useful. If so, please check the Amazon affiliate links in the description so you can order your ink from there, and also leave a like, a comment, and I will see you in the next one.